Alright, hello guys. Here's a remake of the 1200mm of 48-inch Union ceiling fan. And there's the sticker on it. It's a Union. It's a genuine Union, unlike the Mistral relabeled ones. But I got this from Lachlan about a year ago. Capacitor is a little bit weak in it, I think, or it's just the band, because the bearings are stiff. It's either the capacitor or the actual bearings, I don't know. I haven't tested the capacitor because I don't know how to really do that. So, it's on a DMC control rated for a 36-inch fan, so the speed ranges would be the best, but, well, doesn't really matter, I guess. I mean, to me, I don't really care. I'll just run it. So, there's the clipsal or airflow. Anyway, let's put it on speed 5 on the control, which is low. And it will keep going, but it'll just stop because of the bearings are stiff, and plus it's not rated for 36-inch control. Let's see. So we can bump it up to speed 4. I do love this Union though. It's really awesome. I love it. The bearings are a little bit noisy as well, but doesn't bother me or anything, so it's fine. I do have a Union controller, but it's rated for that, for my 36-inch Mistral Union, where I got from Lachlan a few years ago. And the bangs on that one's stiff as well. So I got 2 stiff Unions, but I don't care. Let me shut up. Up against the microphone. Alright, bump it up on speed 3. Bump it up to speed 2. I'm down up to high speed. I mean, it still spins fast, but you know, to me, I thought it would spin a little bit more faster than what it is, but it could be just me. It plays a decent amount of air. For some reason, curved blade fans don't really blow a lot of air for some reason. Don't know why, but probably because the way the blade's shaped and whatnot. But they're still cool though. They're one of my favorites. I really love curved bladed industrials than the normal straight blade ones. Alright, turn it off. It does need a bit of touch up with like text or something with the scratches and whatnot, but I might leave it, gives it some character, so, but depends really. Yeah, as you can see the bangs are stiff, but you know. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.